Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this Y2K outfit in dress and press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can choose this here and then you're going to color it with this color. And then you're going to combine it with this one, make it the same color. And then put on this earring, make it black, and this necklace, make it black for all these selections. And put on this heels, make it black, and the sunglasses, make it black for the frame. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this top area, and I'm going to put on this top, and then I'm going to apply this pattern. Wait guys, apply this pattern, and then I'm going to combine it with this top. And for this one, I'm going to apply this color, but I'm going to make it darker. Alright, done. And then I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this stocking, and then we're going to apply this pattern. And the next one, I'm going to put on this gloves, and I'm going to remove the fur and apply this pattern. Okay. And then I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this item and apply this pattern. Okay, the next one, I'm going to move to the skirt area and I'm going to apply this skirt, and then we're going to choose this pattern. Okay, and then I'm going to select this old phone, and then I'm going to make it black. Okay. Make it black like this, and then let's move to the dressing room, and then I'm going to go to the curves item and choose this dress, and we're going to choose toggle 4 and remove the glitter on sleeves, and then we're going to apply this pattern. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this menu, put on this dress, and then we're going to choose skirt only, and I'm going to apply this pattern for all the selections. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this skirt and we can apply the same pattern. If you don't have this skirt guys, you can skip this item. It still looks good even without this item. Alright, and then I'm going to move to this area, and then I'm going to put on this belt. Okay, and oops, sorry, I forgot to put on a bag. It's right here, and then for the bag, I'm going to choose this one, and then I'm going to color it, apply this pattern, Okay, and then for the third selection, make it black, and also for the fourth selection. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!